Alrighty, what's up, guys? Back here. This is a really cool effect. So in the last tutorial that I uploaded, I showed you how to make. Let me bring it up here. I showed you how to make a simple camera with player movement and just smooth camera and everything. So this one, I'm going to actually show you how you can do a really easy, with those little block models, you can do a really easy cell shade, like outline effect, I guess. Not really cell shade, but outline effect. So yeah, let's just jump into it. So first thing we need to do is we're going to create a new object. And we're going to call this object outline surface. All right, this is going to be our outline. This is what we're going to draw our outline to. So first thing we need to do, let's create a global variable, global dot outline surf is equal to surface create room width, room height. All right, now let's save that, copy that. We're going to create a cleanup event, and this is just basically like if room ends, or if the outline surface object is destroyed. Basically, you want to clean up your surfaces or you'll have memory leaks. So we'll say if surface exists, global dot outline surf, then we're going to say surface free global dot outline surf. Cool. Now I'm going to copy this as well, because we're going to need this in our draw event to make sure that we have the surface. And then I'm going to go back to the create event and copy this. And we're going to say if our surface exists, then we're going to do all this stuff. But if not, else, then we want to make sure that we've got that surface created. So this is just going to be clear the outline surface and check that it still exists. Okay, cool. So then what we're going to do is we're going to say surface set target global dot outline surf, and then we're just going to say draw clear alpha C black 0, and then surface reset. So basically this sets the surface that we want to surface reset target. Sorry, I typed in the wrong function. Target. Surface reset target. So basically we're going to select our outline surface. We're going to clear everything off of it, all the things that we're drawing to it, and then we're going to reset our target. So, all right, we've got that. Now I'm going to copy this as well, and then we're going to come down a couple lines. We're going to say the same thing if the surface exists. And we're going to draw the surface. Draw surface global dot outline surf, and we're just going to draw it 0, 0. Cool. All right, now this is where the meat of stuff comes in. Find objects and draw outlines, and this is going to be draw our outline surface. Okay. So what we can do, real easy, let's go into our little block here, our 3D block, copy the draw event, come back into our outline surface here, and we'll say if instance exists object block. Now normally you would probably want to create like a parent, like a model, like if a model exists and you want everything to be outlined or whatever you want to be outlined, check that it exists. You probably want to create a parent, and then we're gonna say with object block, and then let's paste the draw event that we've already got for the block. But we're gonna do one thing first, and that thing is, so we gotta add and change a couple things. So under here we're gonna say surface set target, and we're gonna say global dot outline surf. Oh, I didn't spell that right. Outline surf. Set the target, do our regular draw thing, and then surface reset target. Cool. Now like I said, this is the exact same draw event. What we need to do is basically we're just going to increase this X scale right here, and then we're going to change this to C black, right? So this is be the outline color. Now we can define some of this stuff here. So let's go back into our create event. We're going to say outline color. It's going to be C black. Outline width is going to be 0. Let's do 0.1. And yeah, that's good enough for now. So we got outline color and outline width. So let's go back into our little object block here. Now, right before the surface functions there, let's just make sure. Target, outline, surface, get camera angle. Always comment your stuff. Draw outline, and then reset surface target. Okay, so let's go up here, and since all this is being done in the object outline surface, we don't really need to worry about checking like if instance exists, object outline surface, etc., because it's all being called from this object. So we can say var osurf object, or we'll just say outline object is equal to object outline surface. Oh, keep spelling outline. Altine. All right, outline surface, and then we're gonna say var call is equal to outline object dot outline color. Did Altine again. Outline color, and then width is equal to outline object dot outline width. Now all we have to do, go down here, and we're going to say cull for our color, and then on the X scale and Y scale, we're just going to say width, and we'll say 1 plus width. Sorry, not just the width. 1 plus width. Alrighty, so now we know that our line's going to be 0.01 thickness, and the color is going to be black. So with that done, let's go into our room. We're going to create a new instance layer. We're going to call this outline. Just call it, outline layer. We'll call it outline layer. Take our object outline surface, slap it on in there. Alright, and we should be good to go. Let me play this, switch over, and then let's see if we got it working. Oh yeah, she's working. Alright, now, as you can see, we've got some outlines now on our little objects here. Beautiful. Beautiful. That looks great. That looks fantastic. Because basically all we're doing is drawing. We're just drawing our model again, but we're drawing it a little bit thicker, and then we're putting it on a outline layer, and then we're just sticking that layer underneath. And now you have an awesome outline. I'll go in here. Let me just change up the... Give me 1 second. I'm going to change the thickness of it. I'm going to change it to 0.3. Let's see how that looks. Come back. You should see it pop up here in a second. Boom. Now we got some real thick outlines. So yeah, that's basically it. Just a cool way to add some outlines to your sprite stacked little objects there. Pretty easy. You can always, you can do this with any model and it'll work. So cool. Hope you like it, and see you guys next time.